SLE Equipment, Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at a 6.5 by 18 straight deck utility trailer. At the front we do have our jack coupler and safety chains, as well as your breakaway box. The utility does have built-in tie-down points at the top and bottom of your frame. There is pressure treated wood flooring, as well as diamond plate heavy duty fenders. This trailer does come with a corrosion repair paint to reduce against weather and wear. Coming to the rear, there is a spring assist loading gate. You have these springs, as well as the safety chain and spring latch that holds up your gate. This trailer has LED brake lights. There is a rear passenger side tire mount, but the tire mount can be put anywhere on the trailer. This trailer does have two 3,500-pound axles on 15-inch wheels and tires. There is a front passenger side gate. It is also held with the straight spring latch. Once again, this is a 6.5 by 18 straight deck utility trailer with a front side gate. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.